So basically with the autoprop, what it does, firstly when you're sailing, it takes the least line of resistance. So it feathers with the flow of the water, like a flag in the wind. It just takes the least line of resistance. And to do that, you leave it in forward gear with a conventional mechanical gearbox, and that locks the shaft. If you want to take it out of gear to use it, then you just put it into neutral and start the engine. If it's an emergency, you can start it in gear. What the autoprop does is it varies its pitch angle. That's why it's so different from anything else. And so it optimizes its pitch based on the water flow and the centrifugal force that deploy the blades. So as those two forces are balanced, it changes its pitch angle. So what that gives the user is better economy, better fuel efficiency. You can basically run at faster speeds at lower RPM. In reverse, it takes one revolution for the blades to find the new position. So there's no delay when going into reverse. And again, you have the leading edge leading. So stopping, maneuvering, much better than a conventional propeller, which effectively is using the trailing edge to lead in reverse. It's vastly inefficient. It's like flying an airplane backwards, upside down. So this is very good for stopping, maneuvering. Generally gives you a little bit less prop walk initially because it's got less pitch built into it. Fixed prop is like a paddle till the water's moving over it. So this will reduce your prop walk. It's a bit more controllable. If you use the higher revs, you might still get a little bit of kick. So generally with the autoprop, you can expect higher sailing speeds over a fixed propeller, better fuel economy. Motor sailing is where it really comes into its own, because what it does there is it recognizes the driving force of the sails. It takes a course of pitch, which means you can run the engine at a lot slower RPM and still delivering drive. Whereas a conventional fixed propeller, you have to overspeed it to catch up with the driving force of the sails. So that's where it really comes into its own. There's no other propeller that does what this does. So if you look to invest